Right, in this video I'm going to talk about using AI to create basically the ultimate cheat sheets. And if you're not sure what a cheat sheet is, it's a crib sheet. It's like Cliff's Notes, and you can use it either for your own revision or you can use it as a lead magnet for people, so you can offer it free cheat sheet when they sign up to your list, or you can go for a paid for if you prefer that. If you can do paid for, I'd like using Gumroad, because you can set a price, even if you can set the price as $0, but a suggested donation of X dollars. And that's quite a good way to build your list and also get a few dollars sales. So whichever way you do that, and you can use AI basically to create cheat sheets very, very easily. And what I did with the ChatGPT sandbox is just literally type, give me a prompt to create a cheat sheet on creating cheat sheets, and that's what it came up with. Subtle. And it's good, because you can see there it's got title, purpose, understanding, relevant content, summarization techniques, organizing information, visual enhancements, techniques to use, common pitfalls, resources, allows me to put the resources in there, design tools, and a few other things. And that's all done from a very simple prompt. Now if you want to get a little bit better, because that's literally that's very vanilla, but if you want to go one stage further, the AI cheat sheet's secret code does exactly that. It's a ChatGPT prompt, but it's on steroids, and it will give you really, really good cheat sheets created in less than 60 seconds. And they're ones that are basically done for you very, very nicely, very easily. I actually bought it and typed in creating cheat sheets, and it gives me some HTML code, which is the bit behind all web pages basically. And if you want to do that, just copy the code. I personally put it into WordPress because I find that easiest to deal with, but you can put it into other places. So I opened a new page in WordPress, went to text mode, pasted the text in, went to visual, and that's their visual. And that's all nicely formatted. As you can see, that's from the program I just showed you. So it's all bullet points numbered and so on, best practices, and then it's got a clickable link for resources. So there's that, and you can either save the page and sell it as a page, or you can export it into a PDF or whatever else you want to do with it. So that's how you do it. And if you'd like to use that program that I showed you, there's a link in the description on the video, and it's dead simple to use. You just type in whatever prompt you want to do, press go, and it will give you the thing formatted. So well worth going for. And as I said, cheat sheets, fantastic lead magnets, giveaways, sales, bonuses, anything you want to do with them. So go for it.